Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a height adjustable shower rail. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. An important note before we get started: the glue is not included with the product. The packaging includes all the parts you need to install the product. We won't need the screws today. It always helps to take a look at the enclosed installation manual. But you can watch the installation video instead. To attach your new shower rail to the wall, all you need is a spirit level, a pen and a screwdriver. So, let's get started. First, insert the mounting plate in the holder. The two arrows show the correct position. Then insert the screw and tighten. This is done twice. Now audibly click the shower rail into position on this holder. Next, slide the first chrome cover onto the rail and click it in. Now push the shower bracket onto the rail. Make sure that the larger of the two openings for the hand shower is facing upwards. Push the second chrome cover onto the rail with the opening facing upwards. And finally, insert the second plastic holder. Snap them in place. Perfect. The distance between the holders can be varied between 47 and 62 centimeters. Before continuing, you should cover your shower floor to protect it from getting damaged. Once you've decided where to install the rail, draw a long vertical line on the wall. Then hold the shower rail, centered over the line, and draw a horizontal line under each of the holders. Check your lines with the spirit level and then mark them. Now you need the self-adhesive angles. Note the form of the mounting plates. Pull off the foil and affix them on the lines. Before you attach the shower rail, clean the surface that will be glued with the cleaning wipe. Now remove the foil from the holder, open the glue tube and apply one tube per holder. Now attach the shower rails to the wall using the angles. Allow the glue to set over 24 hours. To wrap things up, you can mount the shower tray. Done! That was easy, wasn't it? If necessary, the mounting plates can be easily removed again. This is done by loosening the mounting plate with a scraper or pliers, and then cleaning the glued area. And that's it!